You know exactly how to carry out all of your actions today towards success. Realize in this vision that the day ahead is going to happen exactly as you imagine it. Now let's count down from 3 as we become a little more relaxed. 3. Relax the muscles in your body. 2. Let yourself sink down into your position. And 1. Deeply relaxed. Meditate on the feeling of relaxation for a few moments longer. Meditation is helping you develop healthy skills to apply to your day ahead. You are able to contemplate everything happening exactly as it should in this moment of meditation. Right now, as you relax in meditation, you are refining your future. Say to yourself now, I am fulfilling a perfect day. I am carrying out my dreams and aspirations today. I accomplish everything that pushes me towards my goals. My physical performance today is great. My words are smooth. I have a positive effect on those around me. Every action I take is flawless. Being perfect is simple. I simply choose the good in every situation. Very nice. You are imagining a supreme day ahead, which is bringing it closer and closer to existence. Everything you do is absolute, sublime, expert. Your skills are out of this world. Every choice you make is impeccable. All of your interactions today are pure. Very good. It is well known that through meditation, you can find a foolproof way to have a perfect day ahead. Simply use the power of your creative imagination for the good intent of the world. You will see an excellent day will play out ahead. And remember, when you go to bed in the evening, count your blessings, express gratitude for the day that you had, and continue on your journey through meditation in excellence. Meditate for a few minutes longer on the splendid day you have ahead of you. Wonderful. Well done. You may rise from your meditation whenever you feel ready, taking on the day with truth and wisdom.